Hi, today I'm going to solve the rotate array problem. Here the given problem, given a integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. Here the first example, nums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and k is equal to 3. It means key 7 will be here and 6 will be here and 5 will be place of 0 index, like that. In first step, like 7 in 0 index, and second step 6 will be the 0 index and 7 will be the 1 index, and third step 5 will be the at 0 index and 6 will be the 1 index and 7 will be the second index, like that. Let's start. And for the term condition, any term condition, no. Try with the three different way to solve in place. Okay, in place it means ki we have to place the output in same array. Let copy temporary array nums. I am using the nums array like this structure because if I am not directly assigned to the temporary array, in next step, if suppose that I change I am changing the temporary array, so original will be also changes. That's why I am restructuring here array in the temporary array. Let length L is equal to nums dot length, and let I is equal to L. Let's start. While I greater is equal to 0, we have to solve like this. Let every time I calculate the index is equal to k plus, given the k plus I modulus is equal to L, and nums of index is equal to temp of I, and I will be my decreased every time. Here the way I am calculating, k is equal to 3 and I is equal to 7 and k is 10, modulus of by 7 it will be become 3, index will be 3. It means ki at 3 index temporary I 7 will be placed, but in this index 7 will be the garbage value. There will be at 3 index garbage value placed, and next step I decreased. When I decreased, then modulo index will be 6 and 3 9, and modulo of 7 will be become 2. At 2 index 7 index will be placed. It means ki 0 1 2. At second index 7 will be placed. At second index 7 will be placed. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. At 6 will be placed at index is equal to 2. 0 1 2 here. Okay, let's try to run. I think I don't have need to return. Let's, yes, you can see, and we can solve with one more type. Oh, I will solve the next in next video. Thanks.